Hi guys, welcome to the Haunted Show. I'm your host Darshan, and today we have on our show Pooja Vijay ma'am. So ma'am, tell us about what exactly you do professionally.
Okay, so as I shared that the entire journey that I
Yeah.
had as a psychic and having paranormal experiences from the childhood. So when I was researching the paranormal, I met Sarbajit,
Yeah.
and Sarbajit on his end was having his own experiences. That is when we got together, and we thought that okay, we both have gone through a lot, and we have kind of researched a lot, helped ourselves, and now it's time to extend our help to others.
Yeah.
So that is when we formed our organization, that's PAIRS, Parapsychology and Investigations Research Society. So we both are the founders. And we have been investigating, we have been researching the paranormal from a long time now. It's been 6 years. We have some amazing members, who are with us. Normal people having their, normal, they do their own work, and
Yeah.
they are at the same time helping us in this field. So, my role as a psychic, if I come to that, whenever we are going for an investigation, now when I say investigation, it could be either we get cases where people call us,
Yeah.
like we have, like I would say, in two scenarios. I'll show you two scenarios. So we have people who call us कि उनके घर में कुछ problem हो रही है, their house is haunted, office is haunted, or farmhouse is haunted, or whatever, and they need help.
Yeah.
So they contact us for investigation, or there is this other scenario where we go to places which are alleged, that they are haunted, or to find the facts about that
Yeah.
place, because we need to debunk myths and superstitions, because that is, that is how we actually began. We want to debunk, and we want to give the facts of the paranormal to people. So we do our own research parallelly. So whenever we are in an investigation, we have psychics and we have investigators. Both work together. Now, as a psychic, what a psychic does is, for example, we are going to, suppose we are investigating a fort. Like, obviously, the forts are haunted because of the history and the whatever has happened in the past. The fort is huge, and where all will you go, trying to find out, or investigating, or whatever. So as a psychic, what a psychic does is, we get the hotspots, as in we try to connect to the place, we read the energy of the place, and then we tell, okay, this is the place जहाँ पर आप हमको ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना चाहिए, या फिर कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपरली गैदर होगा. Then we try and communicate with the entities.
Yeah.
Psychically, as psychics, we try and read जितनी reading हो सके उस जगह की, right from the energies to किस type की entities हैं, कितनी entities हैं, क्या है, क्या नहीं है. So as psychic, so it's me, and we have another great psychic in our team, Savio. So we as psychics read that place in as much depth as we can. Now, if we are reading that place, so there is a very high chance कि ठीक है, ये तो चलो हम फोर्ट की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, बट अगर ये एक प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टिगेशन है और मैं अगर बता रही हूँ कि मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा है, ये है, ऐसी एंटिटी है, why will somebody else believe me? वो तो बोलेगा कि ये फेक कर सकती है, why will somebody else believe me? अगर मैं फोर्ट में भी कुछ बता रही हूँ, why will people just believe me कि ये जो भी बोल रही है? That is when the investigators step in. So whatever is, like, that is when the gadgets come in. That is when the actual communication is gathered. And I mean, it happens that, our readings completely match to whatever we are receiving in the, whenever the investigation is happening. So yes, so as psychics, this is the main role that we play. And we connect to the entities, we connect, because what happens is that the other side, they can sense कि उनको कौन sense कर पा रहा है. So if there are 10 people, they exactly know कि okay, this is the person who can either see me, feel me, sense me. So that is why they prefer communicating with the psychic. Even मैं घर बैठे भी, अगर मैं घर पे हूँ, even I get entities visiting me at home. I don't have to go to a haunted place
Yeah.
too. I have entities visiting me because they know कि ये हमको समझ पाएगी या फिर सुन पाएगी या जो भी है, and that she will be able to help me. Because there are so many entities who are actually lost and they need help.
Yeah.
So as a psychic, we kind of bridge that gap between the living and the dead.
Oh.
So we kind of communicate what they are trying to tell, because now see, I am a clairsentient and a claircognizant more. I can sense things and मुझे वो information आ जाती है, मुझे पता नहीं ना, अब मुझे पता है वो कहाँ से, पहले पता नहीं चलता था information कहाँ से. I know now it's coming from something that is known as the universal consciousness. So we are kind of bridging that gap, and as you know, and I would say this is also a part of our mission, helping the souls of both the worlds, the living as well as the dead. Because yes, the living are troubled by the entities, but at the same time the dead ones, they also need help.
Yeah.
There are so many of them who are not aware that they are dead, and that is why they are just doing their day-to-day activities, and उस वजह से हमको activities feel हो रही हैं, because they are just living. They are not aware that they are dead. There is this other category who are probably aware that they are dead, but they are stuck.
Yeah. So both parties are seeking help. Yeah.
They are seeking help.
हाँ.
And then again, there is a different category, the nasty ones, जो trouble.
Yeah.
So it's not that every entity is nasty. बहुत सारे help भी मांगते हैं. So we can sense them. And मुझे as a clairsentience, I can sense the emotions also of
Yeah.
the spirits.
And then what makes something paranormal?
As in?
As in a place or a house or something?
बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं, लाइक जैसे मैंने बताया फॉर एग्जांपल दीज पब्लिक प्लेसेस, फोर्ट्स हुए, वहाँ की हिस्ट्री प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल कि उस जगह की हिस्ट्री क्या है. अगर वहाँ पर बहुत सारा मार धाड़ हुई है, क्राइम हुआ है, वॉर्स हुए हैं, सो देयर इज अ वेरी हाई चांस दैट देयर इज दैट प्लेस इज हॉन्टेड. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हॉन्टिंग्स. जैसे रेसिडुअल हॉन्टिंग होती है, इंटेलिजेंट हॉन्टिंग होती है. रेसिडुअल हॉन्टिंग में देयर इज नो एंटिटी. वहाँ पर सिर्फ इमोशंस कैप्चर्ड होते हैं.
Yeah.
कि अगर वॉर हुई, जैसे शनिवार वाड़ा पुणे का,
Yeah.
बहुत लोग जानते हैं कि वहाँ पर चीखने की आवाज़ आती है,
Yeah.
चिल्लाने की आवाज़ आती है. सो देयर इज़ अ वेरी हाई चांस दैट इट इज़ अ रेसिडुअल हॉन्टिंग, जहाँ पर स्पिरिट इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, बट द मेमोरीज आर प्लेइंग आउट लाइक अ लूप.
Oh.
So that is what we call it a residual haunting. And then there is intelligent haunting, जहाँ पर actual spirit involved होती है and communication होता है. So अब अगर आप पूछ रहे हो कि what makes a place haunted, it could be actually anything. It could be the history of the place.
Yeah.
It could be just that the entity is seeking help, and शायद वो देख रहा है कि हाँ ये वाला इंसान मुझे समझ पाएगा, and मेरे को इसका दरवाजा खटखटाना चाहिए. So the reason could be any.
Yeah.
It could be purely scientific reason. For example, अगर किसी जगह का EMF high है, जैसे
What is EMF?
इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड
Okay,
अगर
yeah.
हाई है, तो देयर इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक EMF होता है या जियोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ क्रिएट्स अ concentration of energy in that place. And entities need energy to survive. So there is a very high chance कि अगर वहाँ पर concentration of energy है, तो वहाँ पर एक्टिविटीज होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा हैं. एट द सेम टाइम वहाँ पर hallucinations होने के भी
Yeah.
चांसेस ज़्यादा हैं.
सो चाइल्डहुड में आपके साथ जो हुआ वैसा बहुत बच्चों के साथ, बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, मगर उन्हें मालूम नहीं रहता कि उनके साथ कुछ पैरानॉर्मल स्टफ हो रहा है. तो तब कैसे हेल्प रीच आउट करें?
This is now very important that every human being is an intuitive. Every human being has these psychic senses.
Yeah.
It's just that they do not acknowledge it. अगर मैं intuition की बात करूँ, everybody has that feel that no, I feel something off about this person. Or I feel something very good about this person. Or that no, I don't feel like doing this. वो feel मुझे ये नहीं, I don't think, वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? So every person is gifted with intuition. अब psychic senses is I think just the next step of it. कि किसी में ये चीज़ें enhanced होती हैं थोड़ी सी, किसी में बचपन से enhanced होती हैं, और some people can enhance it later in life. You can develop your psychic abilities even later in, because it's just like developing any other muscle. So now when people are seeing things या hearing things or whatever is happening, so अभी जैसे हमारे like you know especially अपनी country में बोला जाता है जैसे देवगन, राक्षसगन,
मनुष्यगण.
so there is something जो कि हम psychics like you know we call them as psychic senses. एंड ये बहुत सारी होती हैं लाइक देर आर सम पीपल हु कैन सी थिंग्स जो कि दूसरे नहीं देख पाते. बहुत सारी मूवीज वगैरह भी निकली हैं वेयर द पर्सन इज सीइंग. उनको बोलते हैं क्लेयरवॉयंट्स. दे आर क्लेयरवॉयंट्स बिकॉज दे आर सीइंग थिंग्स विच आर बियॉन्ड द नॉर्मल ह्यूमन विजन. हमारी जैसे ह्यूमन विजन है वो एक पर्टिकुलर रेंज की है, बट देर आर पीपल जो कि उसके बियॉन्ड के रेंज की को भी कैच कर सकते हैं. सो दे आर क्लेयरवॉयंट्स. देन देर आर पीपल हु कैन हियर थिंग्स विच अदर्स कांट. उनको वो चीजें सुनाई देंगी बिकॉज अगेन वी हैव अ पर्टिकुलर रेंज जो कि हम यू नो द ईयर कैन कैच, but they can catch beyond that frequency. Then there are some people who can sense things. उनको एक फीलिंग आ जाती है लाइक आई एम अ क्लियर सेंटिएंट. उसको क्लियर सेंटिएंट बोलते हैं. मुझे सेंसेशन आ जाता है कि यहाँ कुछ है या कुछ होने वाला है. यू नो दोज पीपल आर क्लियर सेंटिएंट्स. और एक साइकिक ऐसे बहुत सारी हैं. और एक मेजर वन है जिसको बोलते हैं क्लियर कॉग्निजेंस. फॉर क्लियर कॉग्निजेंस इट जस्ट कम्स एज एन इनर नोइंग. जैसे डाउनलोड. अब वो इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रही है लेकिन वो मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है. तो दीज सेंसेस आर बियॉन्ड हमारे 5 जो सेंसेस हैं उसके बियॉन्ड है ये. हम सबके पास 5 सेंसेस हैं लेकिन इसके बियॉन्ड हैं और वो कुछ लोगों में थोड़े से एनहांस्ड होते हैं और कुछ लोग उन्हें एनहांस कर सकते हैं.
ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि एक आध इंसिडेंट हो जाता है और हमें लगता है कि अरे ये तो मुझे पहले से मालूम था. तो ये दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दिस कि
या सो यू नो इट बट यू डिस्कार्ड इट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि यू नो ऐसा कुछ होता है. सो व्हेन यू आर सपोज जैसे मैंने वाईफाई बताया. सो व्हेन यू आर कनेक्टिंग दिस कंप्यूटर टू द वाईफाई यू आर एक्सपोजिंग योरसेल्फ टू अनलिमिटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. सो व्हेन यू आर एक्नॉलेजिंग दो साइकिक सेंसेस. जैसे आपने बच्चे की बात की. बच्चे क्या है, बच्चों की लाइफ ही अलग होती है. दे आर नॉट इन टू द मेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड जस्ट नाउ. दे आर स्टिल इन देयर प्योर एसेंस. दैट्स वाई दे कैन सेंस थिंग्स मोर. दे कैन लिटरली सी थिंग्स. जो कि जैसे जैसे वही बच्चा जब बड़ा हो जाएगा, जब वो बाहर की दुनिया में टेंशन, स्ट्रेस एंड पढ़ाई एंड काम एंड दिस एंड दैट, ये सारी चीज़ें पीछे हट जाती हैं. ऐसा नहीं उसमें है, नहीं है, अंदर दब गई.
सो तभी वो ज्यादा न्यूट्रल रहता है.
बचपन में द चाइल्ड इज ओपन टू दीज एनर्जीज एंड एज द चाइल्ड ग्रोज इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स गेटिंग लेयर्ड अप इन देम. सो you can remove it out from that layers again. So that's why you can develop the psychic senses and you can work on it. Just a person goes to the gym and develops muscles. This is also developing like any other muscle. आपके पास है, हर इंसान के पास है. आप उसको करो develop.
So if any child going through with this paranormal stuff, तो उनके पेरेंट्स ने कैसे डील करना चाहिए इस सिचुएशन से?
सबसे पहले I'll suggest is believe what the child is saying. सबसे पहले. Now see, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि every time it is a paranormal experience or every time it could be either. सबसे पहली चीज़ that there is a very high possibility that the child is a psychic where the child is sensing things beyond the normal senses. Probably the child is seeing things or hearing things or coming to know, premonitions हो रहे हैं, जो भी है. Now what happens because of lack of knowledge and lack of information, ऐसा माना जाता है that there is a mental problem with this child. और उसको डाल दिया जाता है medication. And that harms the child more than doing good. Now I am not saying that that don't. In fact, we tell that no, you need to go to proper doctors and you need to get because there is a very high possibility that there is a mental disorder. वो भी होता है, but not always. So it's very important to understand whether it is a medical disorder or whether the child is a psychic and is seeing things or getting information that is beyond the normal. Because this child needs to be dealt in a different way. Yes, जिसको medical issue है, that person needs to go through the medication या whatever the process is. But this child, so that's why it's very important for the parent to understand the child कि वो कौन से which category is the child lying in, and then accordingly the child should be helped.
तो कम्युनिकेशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट
बहुत ज़रूरी है, and they should reach out to the right people, that those who understand this field. That's why even when we, so many children, like I'm counseling so many children who are psychics, because they also don't know how to deal with this. Even it freaks them out, that it's freaky when I get this information, how do I deal with it? So I have to counsel the child, and at the same time I have to counsel the parents to help them understand the child, because it's new for the parent also. The information is so, I mean, people don't know about this, so that's why we have to tell them, and then accordingly it is dealt with.
सो जहाँ जो आपका काउंसलर उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि किस तरीके से वो आपको ट्रीट करे.
Yeah, of course, because if there is something that is not, because obviously we have to first, as a team we have psychologists with us, so we work as a team. So जब इस तरीके से एक केस आ रहा है where the child is probably seeing things or whatever, we have to ask them whether they have gone through the medical procedures, or if so there are people who say that no, we have gone through everything and there is nothing wrong with the child. So then we consult our psychologists also, that if there is if you feel there is a psychological disorder or whatever, and if there is nothing medically wrong, then there is a very high chance that abhi jaise possession ke bhi jab cases aate hain, that that the child is possessed or something, we have to go through all this process, and then only we get into the paranormal part, and then we go to how do we help and deal with this.
जैसे आप आपकी माँ के साथ जो आप कम्युनिकेशन था, वैसा जो आपके पास आते हैं बच्चे, उनके साथ कम्युनिकेशन रहता है कि वो डरते हैं फिलहाल बातें करने में इन चीज़ों के ऊपर?
ऑनेस्टली सिर्फ बच्चे नहीं, हर एज ग्रुप आती है, बिकॉज ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है दैट इट कैन हैपन विद एनी एज ग्रुप. नाउ yes, there are some parents who are open, who come with their child if the child is small, but most of the time it is distressed teenagers, it is distressed people in their 20s 30s who come to us because they themselves are not understanding what's happening with them. They are like, we know there is something happening, but nobody is understanding it, and sometimes they are just again made fun of, or it is that they are just discarded, nahi man ka wahm hai, ye hai wo hai, but they are like, no, we know something is happening, and then that is when they come to us. So things are gradually shifting, because there was a time when all this was not even spoken about. इसके बारे में कोई ना बात करना चाहता था, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज कंसिडर्ड एज वेरी डार्क. लाइक अभी भी अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि दैट आई एम अ पैरानॉर्मल इन्वेस्टिगेटर, देयर इज अ सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल हु थिंक दैट आई एम डूइंग डार्क स्टफ. They want to stay away from me.
Black magic and all,
They want to just stay away from me. Till now we have experiences, and there are people ki usse dur rehna, wo kuch gadbad. It's people really need to open their minds where this entire genre goes, or this entire field goes, and it is gradually happening. So now that people are opening up and they are ready to talk about it, they are actually searching paranormal investigators, and then they are directly coming to us.
That was so intense and scary. Thank you, ma'am, for coming here and sharing your experience with us. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.